This exquisite home greets you with a large front porch where you can sit and take in the gorgeous country view sunsets. The large entry invites you inside to see how much this home has to offer with an open floor plan for the living room, dining and kitchen. The stunning kitchen has rich dark cabinetry, with quartz countertops and 5-chair bar seating area. Off the kitchen is a large garage entryway which is great for deep freezer, and beyond that is a walk-in pantry. The rest of the main floor consists of a large master suite with walk-in closet and shower and separate tub, 2 bedrooms and bath. The upstairs offers 2 non-conforming bedrooms. The fully finished basements offers family room, 2 more bedrooms, full bath, laundry room, and storage area. Outside offers a new retaining wall with built-in irrigation for watering, landscaping, 2 patios, play area, 2 car-attached heated plus air conditioner garage. This amazing property is situated on a little over 3/4 of an acre on the edge of town in one of Brookfield's finest subdivisions. 7 bedrooms, 2 non-conforming, 3 full baths. 4,720 square feet.